welcome to our channel, and today in this video I'll discuss with you writing task 2. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Our question for today is: the manufacturing and use of cars damages the environment, but their popularity is increasing. Why is this happening? How could this be controlled? So the manufacturing and use of car, we know that it is damaging our environment, but still the popularity is increasing. More and more people are having cars. So we have to tell that why is this happening and how could this be controlled. Despite the fact that automobile manufacturing and its usage have an adverse effect on the nature, the demand of cars is proliferating. Proliferating means increasing substantially. There could be enormous reasons behind this phenomenon, such as it provides freedom, saves time, and also proves to be elixir in cases of emergency. Although it has a plethora of advantages, but it must be regulated to protect the environment. Means undeniably, having a car has a lot of advantages, but as we all know that it is very harmful for an environment, for our environment, so it should be regulated, means it should be controlled. Nowadays people are owning cars due to its inexpressible benefits, means which we can't express. It not only provides independence and freedom, but also helpful for health and emergencies. So it not only provide you freedom that you don't have to wait for any public transport to go to any place, but also helpful in case of emergencies. At the time of emergency, there will be no need to wait for ambulance, which might delay due to crowd. Apart from it, owning a private car is the best way to maintain one's well-being during the pandemic. So during this coronavirus, having a car is a blessing in disguise, we can say. Many people are being pushed to adopt new health policies as a result of the recent health crisis. Having a car is perfect way to observe social distancing. So if we are using our car, so we are not the carriers, we are not spreading this virus to others because we are traveling in our own car. So this, we can say that having a car is a blessing in disguise for this situation. Taking the bus or other type of public transportation increase the infection risk. I might have left one line. Yes, taking public transportation increases the infection risk. Taking bus or other type of public transportation can expose to potential carriers. Okay, if we are taking any bus, then we can be the carriers of that virus. Using public transportation or relying on others for transportation may be dicey. So it is maybe risky. When taking public transportation, one may be concerned about being on time. Okay, it's not when, it's while taking public transportation, one may be concerned about being on time. If we are taking any public transportation, so we always have that phobia of that either we will be on time or not. One would not be rely on anyone to get to his or her desired place. Moreover, it also saves time because there will be no need to wait for others to travel. So it also saves the time. It can be controlled by increasing the quantity and standard of public transportation. As the higher the quality, the more people it will attract. So if we are successful in increasing the standard of public transportation, then definitely we will attract, or public transportations will attract a lot of people. For instance, if public transit is neat, tidy and accessible regularly on time, it would be admired by a great number of people, because definitely no one wants to spend a lot of money on petrol and all other requirements which a car needs. So from that people they can get rid of those expenses. In addition, the government and employers should enable people to use alternative modes of transportation by rewarding them for doing so. So what they can enable or they can encourage people to use alternate mode of transportation by rewarding them. Okay, they can reward them. Furthermore, people in neighborhood should pool their resources to create shared vehicle and can be used by all. So it is saying that in neighborhood also, if one society is having 5 to 6 cars, that is sufficient. Either if in a society 10 people are living, so if they can pool their vehicles, means they can share their vehicles, so it will be a blessing. This will not only benefit them in any emergency, but it also save them money, and there will be less congestion and pollution. So definitely it will save the environment as well. To conclude, there is no ounce of doubt that having a car proves to be beneficial, but anything in excess is harmful. So a large number of cars would prove to be noxious to the environment and as well to the humans. Therefore, people should be motivated to use public transport which can protect the environment. Okay, so what I am saying is that there is no ounce of doubt, means there is no doubt that having a car proves to be beneficial, but anything in excess is harmful. So a large number of cars would prove to be noxious to the environment. Noxious means poisonous to the environment as well to human. Therefore, people should be motivated to use public transport which can protect the environment. So this was for today. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.